Hi, this is Alison from Blue Cat Sewing. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these. It's a Cork ID holder. This is the vertical version. I also do a horizontal version like that. This is how it works. What's special about this card is that there is no plastic in the middle to hold your ID card in place. So when you put your ID card in, it is just held in place by a lip of fabric that goes all the way around. So if you can live with just losing the edges of your card, then this is a really eco-friendly ID holder. There's also a pocket on the back where you can put an extra card or a note or something and just clip it to your lanyard. This is the pattern that you get. You get all your pattern pieces and you get loads of photos to take you through how to make it. I'll pop the link just here so that you can download it, but here's the tutorial to take you through it. My cork here is quite curly. It was quite tightly rolled, but don't worry, it will come together in the end. Don't make the mistake of trying to press it, because when I tried that, it just made it even more curlier. Find your loop, fold it in half and stitch down either side of it quite close to the edge. And then we're going to trim it to size. All the details are on the pattern. And then find the two main pieces, the ones that are exactly the same size as each other. Fold one of them in half at the top just to mark that this is where your loop will attach. So place your loop in the middle, place the other main piece on top, all right sides together. And I just hold all that in place with a pin. Now, pins are not really a great idea with cork because the hole that you make doesn't really disappear, but because I've just placed it where the seam allowance is, nobody will see any holes that are made. And then stitch across the top there, holding the loop in place. Don't forget to do a reverse stitch at the beginning and the end for security. And there is your loop popping up. Then find the window piece, place the template on top and just draw 4 dots with a pen or pencil to find the inner rectangle and then join those together with a pen. Cut out that inner rectangle as neatly as you can. If you cut into the corners first and then follow the line that you've made with your pen. It's still curly, but don't worry, it'll work out in the end. Then place your pocket on top of the main piece and hold that in place with a paper clip. I like paper clips for this project because they're small and they're strong. Then place your window piece on top, sliding it under the paper clip. It's quite fiddly to try and get everything lined up, but do the best you can. If it's not perfect, don't worry, because we're going to trim everything down at the end to get a really neat finish. I do love using cork for this. It's such an eco-friendly product. If you don't know much about cork, I recommend looking it up online. That's it, and then we stitch all the way around. I line up my presser foot with the edge of the fabric and it gives the right amount of seam allowance, I find. And just remove your paper clips as you go. And don't forget to do a reverse stitch at the beginning and the end to secure your stitches. And we're nearly there now. So you can see how it's not curly anymore. It's come together. So place your card inside just to see that it fits. And it should fit in the pocket as well. And then all we need to do is just neaten off those edges. And I do this with my rotary cutter Gives a really nice, neat finish. And that's it. Isn't that beautiful, that fabric? And now all we need to do is get a split keyring and then feed that into the loop so that you can easily attach it onto a lanyard. I hope you enjoyed sewing this ID holder. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy sewing!